Hi, this is Naim Hussain. Today I'd like to talk about two words that we mispronounce, misuse, and misspell sometimes. And what are these words? L-O-S-E, lose, lo-u-zo, lose, and L-O-O-S-E, loose, loose, L-O-S-E, that is lose, L-O-O-S-E, that is loose, lose, loose. So we can make sentences by using these two words, but before that we need to know the meaning of these words. Number one, L-O-S-E, lose, এটার অর্থ হচ্ছে কোনো কিছু হারানো বা হেরে যাওয়া. Like you can say, they're losing the game. He is losing his keys all the time. L-O-O-S-E, loose, এর অর্থ হচ্ছে ঢিলে ঢালা, like something that is not tightened sharply or strongly. So we can say his shirt looks like, or his shirt is loose. Alright, so when you are using these two words, be careful about these words, pronunciation, spelling, and uses. Thank you very much. Goodbye.